YouTube, my name is Richard Wynn and you're watching Southern Spirit for Life. I am standing in front of my Sapodilla. This variety is Sellerswood. The fruit average out between 5 to 6 ounces. Some of the fruit is ready to be picked and some are close to be picked, and there's some are still this little tiny fruitlets. The best way to tell when the fruit is ready to be harvested is there's two ways. You could do a scratch test. If the fruit, once you scratch the fruit, if it's light yellow or a yellowish brown color, that means the fruit is ready to be harvested. If the scratch is still dark green, that means it's not ready. Also, when you feel the fruit on the outside, if it's gritty like sand, it's not ready. You want the skin to be nice and smooth. Well, come on, join me in harvesting some fruit for dinner. Just harvest this Sapodilla from this tree. This tree ripened. It's very soft. Look at that, y'all. It just peels right off. Wow. It's very sweet. It tastes like pear with brown sugar. This is the Sellerswood, so the fruit is not that big. It averages out between 5 to 6 ounces. There's other varieties are much bigger, but this is a very sweet fruit, high quality fruit. It has that pumpkin flavor to it as well, besides the sweetness like a pear and brown sugar. It has a hint of pumpkin. And it does have a seed. When you eat this fruit, just be careful that there's a seed inside. Well, thank you so much for watching Southern Spirit for Life. If you like the channel, just give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and remember to click the bell for notification. And I'll catch you next time. I think we have enough here for a dessert after dinner. We have a couple Sapodillas. We have some Zapota berries, Well, thank you so much, guys. Catch you next time.